the Concert Help channel. Recently, we've added a feature that allows every user to access the Express user interface. To do so, click on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select Express Mode. And if you'd like to return to the standard UI, return to the drop-down menu and select Exit Express Mode. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features these videos and articles which cover similar topics, often in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links can be found in the video description or in the upper right-hand corner. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.